So this euro dollar analysis for Monday the 6th of August. Now let's just have a look at the prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices find support in around the 1560, had a brief bullish bounce, tested the 116, weren't able to break and hold above the 116, from which we've seen the subsequent breakdown in prices beyond the 1578, tested the 1554. Brief bullish bounce. We do appear to be having failure at the moment, so we do seem poised for further downside momentum. So if we do see this break of the 115 here to the downside, we're looking for, well, 115.54, we're looking for a move down towards 115, and if there is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond 115, we're looking for a move down towards this 14.29 here on the euro dollar. If, however, we continue to use it as support here, if we continue to use this 15.54 as support, we're looking for a retest of 15.78, break and hold, from which we're then looking for a move towards that 16.12, and beyond 16.12, the very next level of note is the 1660, where we do have the added confluence of 200 and 400 period moving average, thus increase the likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level. What we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So we'll have a look here at the monthly chart. As we can see here on this monthly chart of the euro dollar, we've had this move to the upside, had a brief pullback from this 125 all the way down towards this 115. We do appear to be going to a bit of a consolidation around this 115. So if we do continue to hold 115, possibly looking for a bit of a head and shoulders pattern here on the monthly chart. If we do see failure in around that 120, 121, from which we could see a return towards that, possibly even that 114.29 or even 113 here on the euro dollar. That's if we continue to hold this 115 here. If we have a look here at the weekly chart, again on the weekly chart, we do seem poised for a test of this 115. Last week we did see a move to the upside, but we eventually saw this sell side momentum come back into the market, with the market closing near its lows. We do seem poised for further follow through here on the euro dollar. If that is the case, possibly we may see prices head down towards that test of that 115, from which we found support. But if we do break 14.29 below the 14.29, we do have the 200 period moving average currently sitting in around that 13.64 here on the euro dollar. And here on the weekly time frame, we can see that potential head and shoulders pattern that we did mention from the monthly chart. And finally we'll have a look here at the daily chart. And on this daily chart, we can see here, after we broke down, we've gone to this consolidation. We weren't able to break away to the upside, found that resistance around that 17.28, and we saw this subsequent breakdown in prices. Currently broke beneath this 400 period moving average, rejecting around that 15.54. So if we do see a follow through 115 just here, previously where we found support, and beyond that the 14.29. Overall, our inability to break 17.28 possibly suggests we are due for more downside momentum. We might test these lows here, from which we could see that bullish bounce, but we'll see how price progress from where we are at present. If we do see this continued sell-off here in the euro against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.